Welcome to Wikipro. Let me show you how to use it. First, go to Google Chrome and enter wikipro.us. Click the Sign In button and then enter your username and password. Now, you are logged into Wikipro. Here are the menus on the left. There are a few buttons in the top navigation bar. To add a customer, click the Add Customer button. Enter your customer's name and mobile number. Once a customer is added, all customers are displayed in the chat's screen left rail. You can have two-way text with your customers. For example, if you want to send text messages to Tim, enter "Hi Tim." Then you can receive Tim's reply in real time. Note that Wikipro can enable your business office phone number for texting. Your customers can either call or text you with the same phone number. Wikipro has a lot of text features, including send photo, send document such as Word or PDF, and set up an automated SMS appointment reminder. You can send signatures, emails, predefined templates, and more. Here is how to do an e-signature. Click the Send Signature button, pick the PDF document, and click the Define button. You just need to let the system know where to put your signature and then put the date. Click the Confirmation button and enter the signer name. A text message will be sent out. The customer can click the link on their phone and draw the signature. You will see the signed document right away. You can also send a predefined text template. For example, I just picked this template. Here is how to use our video chat feature. Click the Start Video Call button. After you click Join the Meeting, your customer can join the video chat through a mobile text message without downloading any app. You can ask your customers to upload documents by clicking the File Request button. They will be able to click the link and drag and drop the documents to you. You can also send a scheduled message at a later time. For example, tomorrow. The message will be sent out tomorrow. These are a handful of our messaging features. Each customer text will be sent to a group chat, meaning all of your authorized staff members can view and reply to the messages in the chat room. Staff can be added or removed from the chat room and can add additional customers to the chat room. We also have a private comment feature. The private message can only be seen by staff members. Wikipro has a full text search feature for all messages. We also have an instant search feature for customers. You can ask for Google, Facebook, and Yelp reviews by clicking the Request Review button. The customer clicks the link on their mobile phone to leave you a review. Once the review is made, you can manage all reviews in our review management system. There are different review filters. You can even reply to the Google and Facebook reviews within Wikipro. Wikipro offers a text-to-pay feature. Click Request Payment. Enter the description, amount, and invoice number. Your customer can pay you quickly by clicking the link in the text. All payments are tracked in the system. Wikipro has powerful marketing features: Campaign, Keyword, and Auto Reply. Campaign allows you to send messages to a group of customers in BCC batch mode. Keyword enables you to set up auto responses when customers text you a specific keyword. You can send out-of-office auto reply messages. Thank you for watching. Text, engage, and convert with Wikipro today.